Hello, my name is Paula Delgado. Today I want to talking about Santa Marta. Santa Marta is Colombia's oldest surviving city. It was discovered by the Spanish in 1525. It is located on Colombia Caribbean coast and serves as the gateway to many of the region's top attractions, including Tayrona National Park, Minca, and Taganga. How to get? There are a few different ways to get to Santa Marta, Colombia. The easy way is the flying to Simón Bolívar International Airport, which have both domestic and international flights. If you're coming from another city in Colombia, like Cartagena, you can also take a bus. There are several different bus companies that operate routes to Santa Marta. Where to eat? In Santa Marta, usually that everybody walk on the street where the people find street food that is one of the best parts of traveling. Those local restaurants and self-waiters show delicious fast food. For example, salchipapas, pizzas, hot dog, hamburger, or special or traditional food in the restaurant. For example, delicious fried fish, coconut rice, and also canned cold vanilla water. In conclusion, Santa Marta is beautiful colonial architecture, designed in beautiful beaches, unique, historic, historic to other amazing place to visit in the country. Santa Marta, Colombia is the great base for exploring the nearby Sierra Nevada mountain and Tayrona National Park. Whether you're looking for a beach vacation, some history and culture, or just a change to relax. Santa Marta, Colombia, a sunken place, beaches, nightclub, entertainment for everyone who wants to be a nice vacation. Thank you. Bye.